Assalamualaikum foodies, welcome to Embroidery and Cooking. In this video I'm going to show you how to make no bake chocolate cookies. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first thing first, I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Make sure it's melted, otherwise it's going to stick. 1 egg on room temperature. 1/3 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar or shakkar. I think brown sugar and shakkar are the same thing, so we're going to mix everything. So we have mixed all the ingredients and now we're going to add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's baking soda, not baking powder. And mix everything well. So we have mixed everything, and lastly we're going to add some chopped chocolate, finely chopped chocolate. And mix everything. Just make sure it won't break. Just make sure it's mixed well. Now we are going to take our batter and make cookies. Now we are going to lightly grease our pan and put our cookies. Now we're going to cook it on very low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Cover it. So it's been about 10 to 12 minutes and the cookies are cooked, as you can see. Now we're going to take out in a serving plate.